Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you all a skincare routine that you should follow during monsoon, and using turmeric as a key ingredient. Let me tell you one thing, that turmeric is a magic ingredient for your skin. It's a wonderful ingredient. It has amazing properties, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It helps cures dark spots, pimple marks, acne. It's a great anti-aging ingredient, so it helps eliminates fine lines and it brightens your skin. So right now also you can see I'm wearing a turmeric face pack. So I'm going to show you a detailed skincare routine using turmeric as a key ingredient. So here I am using the wild turmeric, also known as Kasturi Manjal. Now this is slightly different than the regular turmeric. It doesn't stains your skin yellow. It gives a slightly yellowish tint to your skin. So what you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Now if you have an oily or acne prone skin, then use skimmed milk, or you can also use buttermilk. Then add a pinch of this turmeric powder. Mix it well, and with the help of a cotton pad, cleanse your face. This removes all traces of impurities and makeup without making your skin dry, and it also brightens your complexion. After cleansing, I use a turmeric face pack. Now making this face pack is really simple. What you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of yogurt or curd, and then add half a teaspoon of this turmeric powder. Mix well. Apply a thick layer of this paste. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. Leaves your skin radiant and youthful. Prepare this serum. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then add 4 to 5 drops of rose water and a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well. Take a tiny amount of the serum and apply it all over your face. Massage gently for a few minutes or until it absorbs completely into your skin. So before moving on to the final step, make sure that your serum has absorbed completely. Now the final step is optional for those with acne prone and oily skin. Take 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil and a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well and use this lotion to moisturize your skin. So follow this natural skincare routine at least once or twice in a week for crystal clear, smooth, young and glowing skin. So make sure that you include this awesome ingredient in your skincare routine and just see the miracles happening in your skin. To watch more such natural beauty tips, subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye.